Zebronics 240W is good. And this is like, what is this, the gada. If I hold it like this became the guitar. I am Bahubali. Oh, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox another 5.1 soundbar. It's from Zebronics, but this is not Dolby Audio or Dolby Atmos, nothing like that. This is just normal 5.1 soundbar with like good quality sound and very budget price. So this is the one, and also this is not very big in size. You can say this is a slimline like soundbar series. The subwoofer is also slim, and the soundbar is very sleek design, and I like that one. So this is the one, and that's how it looks. It says 240 watt RMS of power. That's enough for a small size or medium sized room. So on this side you can clearly understand that's the product, that's how it looks, and you can see very slim subwoofer. And that's the model numbers: Zeb Juke 7451 Pro 5.1 240 watt RMS output. So let's quickly unbox this thing, and then we're going to check the product and all the details out. So here we go. So there it is. Everything is here. That's the soundbar. Very slim design, you can see. And these two are the surround speakers. They are also very slim, and that's the subwoofer. As you can see, this thing is having a 5.25 inch driver, but very slim, as you can see, and it's tall, so you can put it in a very small space right there. This thing is not having the SMPS inside of the soundbar. As you can see, the back side, everything is there, but you get an adapter, 24 volt 2 amp, and it says 48 watt. So that's the power adapter. It comes with the soundbar, and here the other accessories, the remote control, and a QR code for user manual, and these are the screws, wall mount brackets for the soundbar, and more screws, and get one aux cable, this one. So that's it. So let's measure the soundbar. The length is little less than 26 inch, and the width is less than 2 inch, and the height also less than 2 inch. As I told you, very slim. And then the surround speakers length is 5.5 inch, and the others would be same, less than 2 inch and less than 2 inch, and they like the same like the soundbar. So now let's measure the subwoofer. The length is 12.5 inch, and the width is 4.5 inch, so you can understand very slim. And then the depth is 7.5 inch. So let's take a look at the soundbar first. At the left side you get this nice shiny Zebronics logo, and get one speaker driver here, that's the left channel, and another one here, that's the center channel, and there the display would be here, and there the right channel speaker. I think they are having 2 inch speaker driver, and the front side is metal grill. You can see at the top you get this nice piano black finish. At the back here you get all the output and input port. So here you can see surround right out, surround left out, and that's the subwoofer out, and that's the DC in for the power adapter, that's the auxiliary input, and that TV ARC HDMI input. That's pretty basic. Here it says DC 24 volt 2 amp, output power RMS 240 watt total. So that's the sound bar, and on both the side get this wall mount option right there. Let's take a look at the surround speakers. Same design, just like the soundbar, and size. And at the middle you're having 2-inch driver, I guess, and front metal grill. And at the bottom get this anti-slipping pads, and that's the wear out and wear length is pretty good, as you can see. And you get the RCA connector at the end. Now let's take a look at the subwoofer. At the middle you get this Zebronics logo right there, and nothing else. Shiny matte black finish. And on the right side, that's the subwoofer. I think this would be a 5.25 inch driver. And at the back, at the top you get the air passing port, and at the bottom you get the subwoofer connecting wire, and that's the connector of the subwoofer. So pretty simple. Now let's connect all of this and then gonna check the sound. Alright, so everything is connected, as you can see. So now let's turn this thing on and check the sound. Okay, it's connected to my mobile phone, but before start, let's check the max volume. It goes up to 32. 32 is the max volume. And let's check the channel volumes. Subwoofer +5 to -5, and center I think it would be same, +5 to -5. Surrounds, that also would be same. So you can adjust the subwoofer center channel and surround channel separately from -5 dB to +5 dB, and max volume is at 32. So now let's check the sound. So the sound is very clear. Probably you understood that. If you didn't, then use a headphone to understand better. As I can hear right now, the sound is very clear, and the center speaker is working very nice for the vocals. And the 5.25 inch bass driver is working pretty good and hitting very hard. And there is no distortion in the sound, pretty clear, and highs, mids, and lows, they are well balanced. As here you can see, this equalizer modes are there: music, movie, news, sport. So it was playing on the music, and the sound is very nice. Let's check another song. So you heard the sound. Use the headphone for the proper understanding, as I told you. So the sound is very clear and smooth and well balanced, as I told you. A nice treble is there, and this slim tall boy, this is working very nice as the thumping deep bass. Yeah, that's a value for money. If you're having low budget and low space, then you definitely can go for this. You don't need any Dolby audio sound system or anything like that. This thing is like producing very good, clear, well balanced sound. You will enjoy if you connect it to your TV using ARC and all. So that's a very nice thing, and very small in size. You can see this will fit in anywhere, any small space. Doesn't require any bigger space like that. So that's it. Now the price. This thing cost me around 6,500 on Flipkart. I'll give the link in the description below, and I'll tag this product. You can check my tagged products. You can buy anything from there if you like. So for the price, this is a very good soundbar for a 5.1, and the loudness is pretty good. Just a 240 watt RMS, but loudness is pretty good. You wouldn't feel the low power or anything like that. Very loud and good sound. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know anything about soundbars and all music system, amplifiers, anything, you can ask me in the comments below. And if you like my work, you can donate anything to my channel. You'll find the payment links in the description below, and my other channel links are there too. You can go there and check them out. So that's all for today. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.